Yo, lighting lesson for Unit 2.1 all about demand. Here's what the IB says you need to know. First, the law of demand. It's simple. When the price of something goes up, people buy less of it. When price goes down, people buy more. Price and quantity demanded move in opposite directions, always. Put that on a graph and you get a downward sloping demand curve. Remember, demand starts with D. D for down. Don't forget it. But your demand might be different than others, right? Of course, that's individual demand. And then all the individual demand curves combine to form the market demand curve. But price isn't the only thing that matters. Non-price determinants shift the entire curve. If income rises, demand for normal goods goes up. If tastes change, say everyone suddenly loves bubble tea, demand jumps. Future price expectations matter too. If you think prices will rise tomorrow, you buy more today. Prices of related goods play a role. Coffee demand spikes if tea gets expensive. And if the number of consumers grows, so does demand. Here's the key difference. A movement along the demand curve happens when price changes. A shift of the demand curve happens when any of these other factors change. And for you HL students, you need to know the underlying assumptions of the law of demand. Here we go. First, the substitution effect. If pizza gets expensive, you switch to burgers. Second, the income effect. A higher price feels like your money buys less, so you cut back. And underneath it all, the law of diminishing marginal utility. First slice of pizza? Amazing. Fifth slice, you're regretting your life choices.
And done! Big Kev out!